Before we were using the oil, we were using 1 day, 2 days, and every 2 days we used to change the oil. But now it goes to 3 days, minimum 3 days changes is there. So 3 and 4 days depends on the operation. So that helps us to save 1 to 2 days additional. Have a measurement device. If it is below 21, you can use it. If it is not above that, then we discard the oil and we use a new oil.
A lot of items are fried, of course, so again the operation of the VITO, that's where that kicks in into the main kitchen, so they're always using it, as Chef explained, once a day. So we don't just do a la carte or 5-star luxury food, we're also catering for the masses.
You can use this filter for at least 4 to 5 days, 5 times to do the filtration of the oil. You don't have to discard the filter, and that again saves you on cost on filter.
Like the VITO product also helps us, because not only does it clean the oil, makes the oil more healthy and all those sort of things, but it also helps the chef manage his costs. I know he does the rest he controls well, and so allow the chef to cook passionately instead of worrying about the cost all the time. Give him opportunities to, like the VITO product, but also drive them to be creative.